online course via YouTube. We've completed all of our basic concepts of adding, subtracting, whole numbers, decimals, multiplying, dividing, whole numbers, decimals. So it's time to do a review. I would get yourself a timer and set it for 10 minutes. So again, you get used to working under the pressure of time. If you don't complete everything in 10 minutes, still keep going forward, but it is good for you to get used to the time aspect. So I'm gonna just scan through these problems for you so you can see all of them. Just pause the video as you need to and work through the ones on your screen, and then you can start again and I'll show you the rest of them, okay? So remember, with these, take your time. Speed is important, but accuracy is more important, okay? So here we go. You can see the first 5 there. So go ahead and pause. All right, and then moving down, you have 5 more. You can go ahead and pause and work through those. Once you're done, I will show you the worked out answer key. All right, so let's go through these answers. For number 1, you should have gotten 1656. For number 2, you should have gotten 8,887. For number 3, you should have gotten 9828. For number 4, you should have gotten 162. For number 5, you should have gotten 90.84. Number 6, 28.62. Number 7 was 6.137. Number 8 was 61.25. Number 9 was 280. And number 10 was 24.5. So hopefully you did well. I would say if you got 8 out of 10 right, you're on the right track. So you should proceed to the next step. If you got less than that, if you made silly mistakes, that's one thing, but make sure that with this type of computation that you take your time. If you got 5 or less right, I would suggest going back and reviewing whatever you think you need to review and going from there. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this video up. Our next video, we're gonna jump into fractions. All right, so make sure you've got your pen and paper handy. I hope that throughout this process you've been taking really good notes, writing things down. Remember, when you write something down, it's like reading it 9 times. So if you write it down, you're 9 times more likely to get it in your brain and remember it. All right, take care and see you next time.